students. Today we are going to study the next lesson, that is Taro's reward. So, this is a story of a young boy who used to cut the wood and take care of his family. So, earlier there is a word, if you read that one, this is a story about a thoughtful and a loving son. In that line only we can come to know the son is a thoughtful and a loving. Thoughtful, one who think about his own family and take care of the family, that is called thoughtful. And obviously such people are loving by the nature. So he works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. Yes, unexpected means what cannot be expect. That kind of help he used to give to his family. We know that one we are now only studying, but this kind of people, this kind of children has to work in the farm, might be in restaurant or somewhere else, and they have to take care of the family because maybe their parents are old or maybe the parents are very poor. So guys, let's have a look the story of a thoughtful and loving son. The name of the story is Taro's reward. So we'll clarify the lesson line by line. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Lonely word is used. Lonely means alone. Means no one is there other than them. So Taro is a young woodcutter. By profession, he is a woodcutter and his name was Taro. क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको कि वेयर डिड ही लिव. ही लिव्ड विथ हिज मदर एंड फादर ऑन ए लोनली हिल साइड. तो कहाँ पे रहता था वो? लोनली हिल साइड. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द बॉय? Taro. What was he? He was a woodcutter. How he was? He was a young woodcutter. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Chop means cut into pieces. So he used to chop the wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. So there is a contradiction, guys. We know most of the people work less time and they earn a lot, but this boy has to work a lot. He has to work very hard, but he could earn a very little money, and this made him sad. Why he was, or why, what thing made him sad? That he worked very hard but he could earn little money. So earning little makes him very sad. And why he felt sadness? For he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. That's why he was sad. Students, why Taro felt sadness? So he wanted to give everything, whatever his old parents want. But as we know that one, this guy worked very hard but earned a little money. That's why he was sad that he could not fulfill the desire, the things that the parents want. That's why he was very sad. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of the hut, a strong wind began to blow. So suddenly what happened? Along with parent, Taro was sitting in his hut. So suddenly a strong wind began to blow. There was a sudden blow of wind. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. So you know that when he used to live in a hut, the cracks of the hut were whistling by the strong wind and by which they felt very cold. enormous cold they felt. And suddenly Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of Faway. It would warm me and do my old heart good. So he wished something. What is meant by Faway? Guys, there is a word Sake. So that word we have to pronounce like Faway. So his father was wishing to have Faway. That is a Japanese drink. Faway is a popular Japanese drink and which could make him warm and feel his heart good. That's why he wished for. What was his dad wish for? So his dad was wished for Faway. What is Faway? A Japanese drink. This made Taro sadder than ever. That is comparative degree. Sad, sadder, saddest. Sadder than ever. आज तो बेचारा बहुत ही नाराज हो गया बहुत. For the heart-warming drink called Faway was very expensive. The Faway, the drink was very expensive. How do I earn more money? The question arose in his mind. He asked himself, he asked himself, reflexive pronoun. How do I get a little Faway for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. So that day, when sudden storm was there, he felt very sad than ever, that is sadder than ever, because he could not fulfill the desire what his dad wished for, because the Faway was expensive drink. And he was thinking that what's the matter? The money is the matter. So he was thinking that how could I earn more money? He asked that question to himself and he decided that day that he could work harder than before. Next morning, as he decided, next morning, Taro jumped out of the bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. So next morning he decided to work hard. So he get up early in the morning. That usually he wake little late than that, but that day he woke early in the morning and directly he went to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. He worked too hard that day. Chop, chop. That work he done. The sun was climbed. It means it was a noon time, very hot sun. That's why he has to take off his own jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. So he was thinking that again and again his mind was thinking about his dad. He was little concerned about his dad and he was thinking that the warm I felt, if that kind of warm my dad felt, definitely it will be better, but it is not possible because he was very old. And with that, he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the Faway to warm the old man's bones. So again, that boy felt energetic. He get motivated and he chopped the wood again faster than that because he wanted to buy the Faway for his old dad to make him warm, to make his old bones warmer. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that? The sound he heard. Could it be? Could it possible be rushing water? So suddenly he stopped chopping the wood because what happened? He heard something. So he thought what that sound could be. Possibly he thought that it would be a rushing water and he was feeling thirsty. So Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. So earlier he used to go daily over there, but that kind of sound of rushing water he didn't listen about it. It was first time for him to hear the rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was feeling thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hand and he ran in the direction of the sound. And suddenly, as he felt thirsty, he put his axe down and he rushed to the direction where the sound was coming. So he was directly moved towards the sound. Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. So there was a beautiful waterfall which was just behind to a rock, kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly. So he knelt down. Kneeling means he knelt down on his knees and he wanted to test the water. He cupped a little in his hand and put it to his lips. Was it water or was it fave? He tested it again and again, and always it was the delicious fave instead of cold water. So, guys, what happened? As he cupped his hand to drink the water, as he tested that water, he was little confused. He thought whether it is water or whether it is fave. So he tested that water again and again, but the taste was the same. It was a delicious fave instead of cold water. Taro quickly filled the pitcher. Pitcher, that bag, leather bag he had with him and hurried home. So suddenly he filled the pitcher, his bag, and hurriedly he went to the home. The old man was delighted with the fave. As soon as he gave hand over the fave to his dad was very delighted, and after only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. So, guys, that is the difference. As soon as he tasted the fave, he stopped shivering. As earlier he was feeling shiver. One little drop of that liquid make him energetic, and he did a little dance in that hut in the middle of the floor. So, guys, remaining part we'll study in our next video, because time limitations are there and we have to concentrate on the lesson step by step, not in one stroke. We are not going to give you the load of the studies. That's why the remaining part, I think it will be on next session. So I request you guys, stay home, stay healthy, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.